Have you ever given it a thought? What are the dark sides of online dating? In the vastness of the digital world where relationships are formed through screens and hearts are won with a single swipe, there is a haunting answer. We must face the exposed realities that lie hidden behind the addiction of virtual love as we immerse ourselves in the world of digital romance. Let's explore the hidden dangers that come along with looking for love in the digital age, from fraud and scams to the risks of trusting strangers. Online dating has completely changed how people look for a partner and offers a world of limitless opportunities. But beneath the surface of positive profiles and attractive conversations, there is a shocking reality. There are many scams and fraudulent activities that prey on trusting people looking for love. The landscape of online dating is painted in a disturbing light by recent reports. The average victim of romance scams lost about $2,500 and over $304 million in losses in total were reported, according to the Federal Trade Commission. These tragic tales serve as a sobering reminder of the dangers and weaknesses present in online dating. There are many different types of online dating scams, each more tricky than the last. Criminals use crafty strategies such as catfishing, advance fee fraud, and identity theft to prey on the sentiments and trust of trustful people. They fabricate identities, elaborate stories of love and companionship, and pressurize their victims into handing over cash or personal data. Online dating scam victims suffer repercussions that go far beyond monetary loss. Victims frequently feel deeply distressed emotionally, their trust broken and violated. When a scam is exposed, the emotional toll can be devastating and leave scars that last for years. Real people who have been affected by the negative aspects of online dating lie behind the statistics and headlines. They relate stories of heartache and betrayal, recalling the instances in which the hands of dishonest people crushed their hopes for love. These tales act as cautionary tales, emphasizing the value of alertness and critical thinking. The importance of taking proactive steps to protect oneself in the world of online dating is emphasized by experts. They stress the importance of conducting in-depth background checks, confirming the legitimacy of profiles, and protecting privacy. Additionally, establishing clear boundaries, engaging in open communication, and meeting in public places can reduce the dangers of meeting strangers from the online world. Recent research paints a negative picture of the dark side of online dating. Romance scams caused the greatest monetary losses of all reported online crimes in 2022, according to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. The staggering amount of reported losses, which exceeded $300 million in total, illustrates the depth of deceit and manipulation present in the world of online dating. Scams involving online dating take on many different forms, each more cunning than the last. Catfishing, in which perpetrators fabricate false profiles and accuse false identities, is still a common strategy for drawing unsuspecting victims into complex webs of deceit. Behind the numbers of statistics are the touching accounts of people who have fallen victim of online dating fraud. They deceit the times of when they had blind faith, the emerging feelings, and the heartbreaking realizations that crushed their hopes for a romantic relationship. These first-person accounts serve as a potential reminders of the urgent need and the consequences in a real life. Beyond fraud and scams, meeting strangers online has its own set of dangers. People may present false information about themselves, hide their true motivations, or make physical threats. Researchers in a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences discovered that online daters are more likely to have unfavorable and even dangerous encounters compared to those who meet potential partners through conventional methods. When using online dating, professionals emphasize the value of exercising caution and taking safety precautions. They advise carrying out exhausting background checks, confirming the veracity of profiles, and utilizing trustworthy platforms that place a high priority on user security. When assessing potential matches, it's critical to uphold one's privacy, avoid prematurely disclosing sensitive information, and trust one's situation. It's crucial to recognize the potential for real connections and fruitful relationships in the world of online dating despite the dangers and difficulties. Through digital platforms, countless people have discovered love, companionship, and lifelong relationships. I believe you liked the video. Share it with friends and family and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, do mention in the comment box.